Welcome to this mind training audio program. It is time to visualize and design your healed self, the ideal version of yourself. Do not listen to this recording while driving or operating machinery. Only listen when you can relax and be fully absorbed, listening comfortably, undisturbed for the next 15 minutes or so, able to comfortably ignore the outside world. And as you listen to this tape and the sound of my voice, you can adjust your body for relaxing and really know that for the next few minutes, you can let the world around you take care of itself. You can have your eyes look at the spot on the ceiling or wall, a place to gaze at for a few moments. Notice some one spot that you can bring your attention to just for relaxing a bit more comfortably. And your attention can begin to notice the position of your body, the feeling beneath you of the surface that you are resting on, the experience of your hands and arms resting, while you enter a comfortably safe time for tranquility. And your attention can begin to notice the movement of your breathing, how your abdomen and chest move, and the feeling of the breath flowing in and out of your nostrils as you really begin to let go for relaxing. And your eyes can even close when you are good and ready to move into a more inner awareness. And it's just as easy to learn with your eyes closed and relaxing peacefully. And your attention can be aware of the space your body is occupying and feel your awareness expanding into this present moment, while you can let outside sounds that are unimportant carry you more deeply into comfortable feelings of refreshment. And your attention, now focusing more within, creates an inner space to really enjoy relaxing into, all the while that you continue to follow along to the sound of comfort, allowing pleasant, relaxing feelings of rest to spread throughout your entire body, every nerve and fiber of your entire being from head to toe. And now you can take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and as you slowly and comfortably exhale, you can imagine number 3 in front of your eyes and the word relax that starts to repeat right there in front of your eyes as you relax, relax, relax. And you can imagine a wave of relaxation flowing from the top of your head and just flowing through your entire body, ever so nicely and gently and comfortably, taking away all the tension from your face and from your neck and shoulders and from your entire body all the way down to the tips of your toes. That's right, it's your physical relaxation signal as you relax even more fully. And when you are ready, you can take another deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, and as you exhale, you can imagine number 2 and the word relax again repeating in front of your eyes as you relax and relax and relax, as you focus all your attention on here and now, as you pay close attention to the sound of my voice. My voice will guide you and take you to that very special place. As all those things that happened in the past or that await you in the future are unimportant for now, because now you're deeply relaxing your body and your mind. And when you are ready, you can take a last deep breath in, hold it, and as you exhale, you can imagine number 1 and the word relax right there in front of your eyes, as you are now entering a special place within your mind where the change is most likely to happen, where you can create your ideal version in that special area that you decided to focus on today. And as you are in this special place within your mind, you can just become aware of the sights and sounds and feelings that make you feel so safe and special in this place. And as you are there comfortably enjoying yourself, you can become aware of the mental screen, the screen of your mind. You can imagine and pretend that you can actually see a screen that you can be comfortably watching from this special place. And as you are looking at the movie screen right now, you suddenly see on the movie screen of your mind a person right there in front of you in your future. And as you pay close attention, you can be watching this person becoming clearer and clearer as you see yourself in the future. And as you pay close attention, you realize that this is the ideal version of yourself, your healed self that has resolved everything that you have been struggling with. They are now beyond the wounds and scars of the past, empowered and free. And you can notice yourself from the third-person perspective, and you clearly see that this person has resolved all the struggles and all the blocks that prevented you to become this person in the past. And as you are watching yourself right there in front of you on the movie screen of your mind, just comfortably watching yourself, the healed you can become aware of all the signs that let you know that you are truly healed. What are the things you notice about yourself? Maybe it's something about your body that you notice first. Maybe change in your posture. How do you now hold yourself? Maybe shift in your facial expressions or gestures. Maybe a shift in the energy that is radiating from you outside. And as you notice this person, your healed ideal version of yourself, you can watch a movie of yourself going through your ideal day. How they wake up. What do they do at the beginning of the day? As you see their habits that are part of their day, that make them the person that they are, healed, empowered, free. What are the behaviors that you notice? What are the things that come to your awareness now? What does this person represent for you and people around them? Think of the values that this ideal version represents to you. Self-care, resilience, optimism, compassion, kindness, or any other value that comes to your mind right now. And you can build the image clearly in your mind. And you can almost make it like a movie so that you can hear yourself and other people around you. You can see and hear what's going on around you. Who are the people that you surround yourself with? What are the qualities they bring into your life? Just notice everything that is important for you in this wonderful movie at the screen of your mind. And as you hold that image in your mind and know that this is your future and what you are working towards, you can enjoy it for as long as you'd like. But now, you come closer to this image, you come closer, and you are one step away from this ideal version of yourself as you pay close attention to all the characteristics of this person right there in front of you. And what's great about this movie that is now being played on the movie screen of your mind is that you can talk to this person and you can ask them questions, and you can ask them how they get to where they are, and you can see images or get some insights or maybe some feelings that let you know how to get where they are. And when you are there, right there in front of them, I would like you to ask them two questions. And the first question is, what is one thing that you need to stop doing in order to become this ideal version of yourself? Just one thing. And pay close attention to what they are saying. And it comes to you very quickly. That's right. And the other question, the second question, is what is the one thing that you need to start doing in order to become this ideal version of yourself? That's right, and you can just listen to what this ideal version has to say. And now you have learned everything that you needed, and so your ideal self is actually turning away from you, leaving you with a hint of a smile on their face as they now know that you know what you know, and you learned what you learned, and you now know what you need to stop doing and start doing. And so as they turn around, you can just see their back pointing towards you. And when I count to 3, I want to ask you to imagine and pretend that you can actually step inside yourself and you can become this ideal version of yourself right here and right now as I count from 1 and 2 and 3, and now you are stepping inside yourself and you are becoming fully associated being this ideal version of yourself right there. As you now notice yourself, as it feels really natural for you to be this ideal version, as you notice how you behave in specific situations, as you notice that you notice different things in situations, maybe things that you haven't noticed before, and as you pay close attention to your inner talk, to the thoughts that are running through your mind, as you notice how the quality of your inner voice is changing, it is more supportive of your goals. And you can notice the things that you are saying to yourself, but you can also notice things coming from external environment. What are people around you saying to yourself? What are they noticing about how you have changed? And how does it feel to be this ideal version of yourself? How does it feel? Do you feel exhilarated, happy, relaxed, motivated? How do you want to feel? You can make it whatever you want. And maybe there are some beliefs that you hold about yourself and you notice how now, as this ideal version of yourself, you hold different beliefs about yourself. That's right, and just enjoy this moment. And I'm going to count from 1 to 3 again. And when I count to 3, your ideal version of yourself steps out of your body right there in front of you and start to walk into the future, leaving footsteps for you to follow. Because now you know what you know as I count from 1 and 2 and 3, and your ideal self is now leaving your body and leaving footsteps behind them for you to follow, as you have now created a channel between your current situation and your ideal self, channel that is wide and open so your energy can flow freely and you can get to this ideal version of yourself as fast as it is comfortable for you to do so. And as you are now remembering all the learnings, all the insights, what you want to stop and start doing, all the feelings that are connected to this wonderful process, I'm going to count from 1 to 3 as you start to leave that special place. And at the count of 3, you will come back into here and now, being present with your body. As I count from 1, and you are now remembering all the beneficial suggestions, and they will continue growing and improving the quality of your life from now into the future. And 2, and all these new insights and learnings will be there for you, available whenever and wherever you need them, automatically, spontaneously, and without your conscious awareness, as it will be that much easier for you to move through this channel forward to get to meet your ideal self as fast as it is comfortable for you to do so. And now 3, coming back, opening your eyes, present and alert.